everyone, and welcome back to Get Salty. Today we're going to be making breakfast quiches. These are the ingredients you are going to need. Pepper, oil,
eggs,
cheddar cheese,
milk, cooking spray.
So first we're going to start off, we're going to crack our eggs into this wonderful bowl.
Everyone stand back, everyone stand back.
So we're going to crack these 2 eggs. So remember our trick? You just bang them together and then one will crack and one won't. Okay.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to whip up our eggs. Like this. Now next we need a 1/4 cup of milk.
A 1/4 cup of milk. This is our milk.
100% low-fat milk. 1%.
1%. 1%. You got 99% off.
1/4 cup of that.
Definitely do that.
Whoa, that's 1/4 cup. Bingo. Wow. We'll just whip this up real good.
Whip it real good.
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup of cheese.
Yes.
Blake.
This is whiskey business.
This will be something.
1.
Why don't you shake it? Our cheese is getting soft.
Sorry. Pour it in there. Okay, good. 2. 1 more. Can everybody count to 3 with me? 3! So good.
And we'll do. So then we take our pepper. Which,
To taste.
To taste. We just
spicy.
take and we just kind of just sprinkle it to your taste. I think that's
That's
good.
good.
That's great. No.
Michelle likes
Maybe
pepper.
a little more. No, negative. That's
You know
not.
what we do? After you get it all stirred
Should
up,
we spray our pan?
you should spray our pan. Now you can use like your regular cupcake pan, but in our choice here we have our little, what do you call it? Mini cupcake pan.
We're making mini ones.
That way they
Okay,
cook
ready?
fast. No, I don't want to hold it.
Okay.
I don't want to be in the back shot. What are you doing?
This is great.
Okay, whoa! My God, it's on the wall.
Hardly in there.
You
Yeah,
didn't even
I
get
think
them.
you missed like half of them.
Ready? You hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There's only 23?
No,
Well,
that's
that's
24.
not good. Wow.
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 This is 24.
Wow, multiplication on your end.
These definitely aren't
Get
gonna
some of
stick.
that out.
Okay. Pour some of the oil in.
Whoa.
Are we gonna pour it in our pan?
Yes, we are. Now, this can get a little tricky. Now we're gonna go put them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes, or until these ones are done, because these are miniature ones. So
It's helpful.
we'll be right back.
It's helpful if you preheat the oven. We didn't do that, so.
We're gonna go do that right now.
It's time to crack some egg yolks. What happens when you tell an egg joke?
What, Sarah?
It cracks up. Okay. What do you call an egg that goes on a safari?
What, Sarah?
An egg explorer. I know there's
Now that our quiche is done, I'm gonna cut in here and kill your joke.
Okay.
Now that our stuff is done, we're gonna go ahead and get them out. Bingo. Now that they're all out, we serve some wonderful breakfast material. All right, give them a whirl.
How do they taste?
They're hot.
Mmm. Very good. Very good.
Alright, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and leave a comment down below what you think we should make next. Bye!
That was great.